folks, Off-Grid Gary. Today we're here to talk about this bad boy buggy. This is when we put solar on here, how it's been a few months back, and we put solar on top of it. We put a Q-beam LED light bar on the front of it. We put a 3,000 watt pure sine wave inverter on it. We even have outlets here on the dashboard so you can plug in barns, whatever, you know, your camp, whatever. But this thing has lead acid batteries on it. There's nothing wrong with the lead acid batteries that are on this cart or charger. But we're going to change this up from lead acids to lithiums. We went through BigBattery.com and we got a kit. We do have a URL code which will be posted on the bottom of this video where you can get 10% off of a price of any battery that Big Battery offers. And Big Battery made us an affiliate, so we have this 10% discount code we're able to pass on to you. It helps you guys out. It also helps us out. And two, also don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Like I say, we're going to do a little playing around on this golf cart, just kind of having fun, seeing what it is for power. Now, we're not going to go through any mud or water because this belongs to somebody. I'm not tearing their vehicle up. But the customer knows we're going to be in the woods with this. This is his hunting buggy. He'll watch the videos just like we'll watch the videos. So we're going to be driving this thing through some trails kind of like this. Nothing that's going to hurt the vehicle, but we want to see the power range that it's going to have with now, because right now we're at just shy of 50 volts, so the batteries in this thing are for the most part fully charged. And then when we put in the new lithium batteries, it's going to be a lot lighter and supposed to have a lot more performance. So this is why we're doing a before and after video before we do the install. And yeah, this could be a fun project, and hope you guys enjoy the video. We're going to go do some riding. Put that up there. Ready? This is to the floor. This thing pretty much for the most part goes just about anywhere. I mean, these are some pretty sharp hills on this hill. I know the video don't show it, but my house is pretty much dead top of the hill. Headphone. We're going to just kind of do a drive around and check it out. You on? This thing has got a trail on it, don't it? And our temperature, I would say, is about, well, I'll tell you what. Here in a second, I'll walk up so you can see the thermometer. It's supposed to be 27, I think, again tonight. But that's our temperature right now. So we're going to pull this thing back up in front of the garage and show you what's under the seat. And you'll know what's going in here. So now we're going to pick this seat up. Look at this. This is what's coming out, guys. Trojan batteries. Now I'm going to tell you, there's nothing wrong with these Trojan batteries. I'll give you the dates on them here in a little while. not on this video, but the next video, but he actually wants to sell these batteries when we get them out. There's nothing wrong with them. He'll even have a battery charger to go with them. So this is a really nice cart. I'll give you a walk around of it. Do you remember the year of this bad boy? This is the top. It's got a 310 watt solar panel on top that we installed. We did this hingeless and made it to where it kind of opens so you can still use the roof rack.